Good morning, Jai Arunachal, Pranam. Today we are with a new topic. Just I want to remind you and to review a wonderful book, 101 Things. 101 Things I Wish I Knew When I Got Married. Once again, the name of book, 101 Things I Wish I Knew When I Got Married by Linda and Charlie Bloom, a couple. It's a wonderful book. Actually, we have ordered for those who are going to marry. They are our relatives, both are. Boy as well as girl, lady and gentleman. Both are familiar and both are educated. So, we have ordered for them. But I went through this book and found so interesting. So I suggest it's a good book for those who are going to marry and also for those who are already married. They were as couple and 31 years together. It's really a very good book. So many records have broken by this book. One of the bestseller book. Here are some headlights, or you can say highlights of this book. This is an exceptional and outstanding book. Exceptional and outstanding book for strengthening, softening and opening to the deeper intimacy, honesty and mature love found in the scaled covenant of marriage and committed relationship. It is a practical, realistic and inspirational resource for exploring, cultivating and learning from and about the mystery of love. There are 101 quotations are given, and each quotation has a chapter in very simple language. It is a practical, realistic and inspirational resource for exploring, cultivating and learning from and about the mystery of love. There are so many advices. They are excellent for all those considering marriage. This terrific book, word is used here, terrific. I would like to say wonderful, unique. This terrific book lets us on what marriage is really about. If you want to strengthen your marriage or the getting discouraged by how hard it, read this book and follow. The Blooms offer profound insight into the subtle pitfalls of human relationship. Their wisdom, clarity and practical guidance are enormously helpful couples and individuals. So I found it very interesting, inspirative, useful, and I went through within 2 days. It's a very really good book, and its price is just $4.99, so about 500. It's you can get from Google. You can order, and this book will come to your home. I don't know, either there is a translation in Hindi, I don't know. There is no translation in Gujarati, that I know. But you can, if you are not good at English, then you can read in Hindi also, maybe. Otherwise, it has simple language. And not only that, but at the end of the book, the writers have given us chance to send our reviews, our life reviews. And actually, if you are married, then how your marriage life is. If you have found any conflicts, then how you resolve it, how you came from that problem. So you can share. And if in another edition they will include your experience also. So once again, I would like to refer to read this book, 101 Things I wish I would know before marriage. Thank you. Likes video, forward, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. We will be tomorrow or day after tomorrow with another episode with another subject. Thank you. Be happy and enjoy your life. Jai Arunachal. Pranam.